Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to 2 Cents, a place where your opinion is actually needed. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I do post notification shout outs in every video. If you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and then click the bell and then let me know in the comment section below that you have turned on your post notifications and I will give you a shout out in one of my future videos. That leads me to today's post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes to, I'm going to just say Tony because I don't really know how to pronounce the rest of your name, but we're just going to say Tony Petgrave. You said you love my videos. Thank you so much. I do it for subscribers like you. I'm so glad that you are subscribed to my channel, and I appreciate you for turning on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and if you are new here, please read the description box before you ask any questions in the comments. And with that being said, I'm just going to jump right into this email. Okay, so this one says, hey 2 Cents, I've been seeing this guy for about 6 weeks now. We've already had sex a few times, but it's very odd. I want to ask someone's opinion before I just end it, but I'm leaning toward that anyway because I'm kind of turned off. So the first time we did it, he insisted that it was at his place and that the lights were off. His room is pitch black because of the room darkening shades, so I literally can't even see my hand in front of my face. It's that dark. So in the middle of our relations, he stops and makes this weird sound and then starts again. I have no clue what the hell had just happened, but I didn't say a word. It was kind of like a worried gasp or something, but it was muffled. I don't know. Like he had his hand over his mouth. So after he finishes, about 20 minutes later, he jumps up super fast and goes into the bathroom and shuts the door completely before he turns the light on. While in the bathroom, he lets out another weird sound, but different from the first one. So this was my first experience with him. It wasn't bad, but it was just awkward, so I left shortly after. The killer is that we've had sex 2 other times and the exact same thing happened all 3 times. And it's even more confusing because I can't see anything that's going on because it's so dark. I should note that he leaves his clothes on, even his underwear, the whole time. Other than this, he's a good guy. He's not awkward and our conversations flow pretty well. I feel like we're too new for me to question him about anything really, let alone how he does things in the bedroom. Does anyone have any advice? That's super weird. Maybe he's trying to hide something. He's keeping his clothes on the whole time and makes weird noises throughout and after. I literally can't think of anything that could be. If you have any 2 cents or you kind of think you know what's going on with this guy, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Give her some advice or what she should do, you know, if she should just leave him alone or if it's not worth it. Because, I mean, through the email, it doesn't really seem like she was like super like into him like that anyway. That was it for today's video. Again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.